Sir, anong ibig sabihin ng principle to serve and protect sa PNP?
Guys, hindi po ito isang simpleng salita lang, ngunit ito ay may malalim na kahulugan. This is the fundamental duty of every police officer to serve the public and to protect life and property. This is embodied with the highest standard of professionalism, integrity, and compassion. It is not only a job of the government, but it is a calling to serve and protect the community. Kahit pa ang katumbas kapalit nito ay nag-iisang buhay in order to show to the public the commitment in upholding the law of the land.
Sir, bakit po ito ginagawa ng PNP?
Simple lang po yung sagot dyan. To build harmonious relationship, working relationship, cooperation from the public. Kasi naniniwala po yung ating pambansang pulisya that the community itself plays an important role, vital role in achieving the primary goals and objective of our criminal justice system.